We strive to bring our clients a variety of unique and well-done offerings that exist on either the fringes of a marquee or the fringes of the hobby. On that note, our latest one-of-a-kind classic is the sizzling 1963 LeMans, a traditional hot rod that features a decidedly pro-touring flavor. First impressions are important, and this striking drop top certainly makes a strong one. Pontiac did a great job whittling their brand-defining wide-track aesthetic into an appealing profile. Naturally, that profile was fully reworked during the car's ground-up restoration, once the surfaces were prepped and carefully aligned. House of Color Tangerine Candy was dashed in hot rod black and detailed with charcoal outlining stripes. Open the doors and a fresh vinyl interior remains just the way the factory planned it. A tasteful dash frame, stylish odometer gauges, and an engine-turned instrument panel. Fresh carpet anchors a long low-car shifter, and a factory steering wheel laps a standard column. Pop the hood and you'll find a fully rebuilt Pontiac 400 that's ready for miles of muscled motoring and is fed fresh air through a functional hood scoop. The car's drivability is greatly enhanced by a smooth turbo-hydromatic 353 speed, which twists a familiar 10-bolt axle. Easy to cruise and fun to look at, this awesome LeMans should make every enthusiast smile. It backs proven Pontiac performance with a solid restoration that's ready to blister the blacktop and stop the show. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.